Phytochromes. Phytochromes are also called plant growth regulators. The plant growth regulators are called hormones and sensory systems. Hormones are chemicals produced in one part of an organism and transported to another part where they exert to or a response exert a response in another place or in another part. In plants, hormones are not produced by the specialized tissues. There is seven major kinds of plant hormones are present. They are auxin, cytokinins, gibberellins, brassinosteroids, oligosaccharides, ethylene or ethylene, and abscisic acid. These are the seven major kinds of plant hormones. The plant hormones travel in the sap of plants through the xylem and phloem. Yet the types here it is auxins. Example indole acetic acid. It mainly helps in cell growth, cell elongation. Cytokinins, cell division, cytokinesis or cytokinins. Gibberellins, cell growth, cell division and cell elongation. Brassinosteroids, cell growth, cell elongation and cell differentiation. Abscisic acid, slow cell growth, high concentration of inhibit germination. Water washout acid to break dormancy. Ethylene gas, fruit ripening. See, these are the major hormones from syllabus. From these hormones, we discussed about the five major plant hormones. They are auxins, cytokinins, ethylene, abscisic acid, gibberellins. These are the five major groups of plant hormones. From these five major groups, some hormones are encouraged plant development. Some hormones are controlled the plant development. Some hormones encourage the plant development. Some hormones control the plant development. That is the encouraged done by auxins, cytokinins, and gibberellins, and controlled by ethylene, abscisic acid. Ethylene, abscisic acid are the controlling hormones. Plant growth controlling hormones are ethylene, abscisic acid, and plant development encourage hormones are auxins, cytokinins, and gibberellins. Now we discussed about the first auxin. Auxins were first discovered by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin discovered auxins. Here it is, auxins mainly first point of auxin function is evidence for the role of auxin in a apical dominance. It is a major function done by the auxins. Generally, shoot terminal part, shoot tip produce auxin source tissues. Here it is, at the shoot terminal part, auxin is in high concentration, and at lower part of shoot or axillary part of shoot, low concentration of auxin is present. By this situation, the apical tissues are continuously participated in the divisions to continuously produce new tissues only on the apical part of shoot. If we cut the apical part of shoot, automatically auxins are distributed to the lower part of shoot, mean at the node or of the shoot, internode of the shoot. By the remove of shoot tip, axile parts also developed. Axile parts also developed as branches. Before the removing of tip or shoot terminal part, the axile parts cannot develop into axile buds, cannot develop into shoots or branches. That development is inhibited by the terminal part. The terminal part is called apical cell, apical tissues of the shoot. The apical tissues of the shoots mainly shows dominance. The tissues utilized more auxins, they are continuously participated in the divisions. By this situation, lateral buds cannot develop into branches. This situation is called apical dominance. It's done by the auxins. And the second one is photoperiodism. Photoperiodism mainly done by the auxin chemicals. Here it is light direction from which area to plants, that plants are attracted to the light direction, attracted to the light direction. So this process also done by auxin chemicals. Auxin chemicals. If we take one germinating seeds, the shoot terminal part turn into light side. If the shoot terminal part covered with transparent cap, it cannot identify light. It moves to straight direction. If we removed cap or transparent cap, automatically the terminal part identified light sensor that it turn into the light side. So this development is also done by the auxin chemicals. This process is called photoperiodism. The photoperiodism done by the only auxin chemical. And evidence of the role auxin in the adventitious root formation. Adventitious roots also developed by the auxins. It mainly helps in the root cuttings, shoot cuttings, stem cuttings. Mainly it helps in the stem cuttings. We used stem cutting parts. Automatically the stem cutting parts are produced roots. That roots are called adventitious roots. That adventitious roots are developed by the auxin chemicals only. It mainly helps in the stem cutting mechanisms in vegetative propagation. And the auxin functions are stimulate cell elongation, stimulate cell differentiation of the phloem and xylem, stimulate root initiation on the stem cutting, and lateral root development in the tissue culture, mediate the tropostic response of bending in response to gravity and light. See, here it is, the auxin play major role, mediate tropostic response. Tropostic response means root towards gravitational force, and light shoot towards light opposite of the gravitational. These two activities, root enter into the gravitational force and shoot are mainly developed to opposite of the gravitational force. It done by the light. These two ways or two systems are done by the auxin chemicals. And suppress growth of lateral buds, already completed. Suppress growth of lateral buds means apical dominance. And delay leaf senescence. Delay leaf senescence means aging of leaves. Aging of leaves are delayed by the auxin chemicals, means the leaves are shows always in green color. They are in young age. And other uses of auxin in agriculture: promotion of flowering, application NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, causes uniform flowering in pineapple, leading to development of uniform sized fruits. So if we used NAA auxin on the pineapple fruits, pineapple flowering, The uniform flowers are developed, and the same the uniform flowers produced uniform sized of fruits. And 2,4-D also used to increase the femaleness in the monoecious of cucurbits. The cucurbita family plants produce male flowers and female flowers. If we spray 2,4-D on these cucurbitaceae family plants, that plants produced more number of female flowers. It done by the promotion of female flowering by auxin chemicals and prevention of premature dropping of fruits. In case of apple and cotton, we used naphthalene acetic acid. In case of citrus fruit, 2,4-D and 2,4,5-T, these are used to prevention of premature dropping of fruits and the germination. Indole acetic acid, indole butyric acid is the most widely used as soaking seeds for the germination. These are the auxin chemicals, auxin hormones uses. And the next one is cytokinins. Promote the synthesis or activation of cytokinins proteins. Also function as anti-aging hormones. Anti-aging hormones means aging is stopped by this hormone called anti-aging hormones. Agrobacterium insert genes that increases the rate of cytokinin and auxin production. Causes of massive cell division. Here it is a massive cell division and formation of crown gall tumor. Crown gall tumor done by the cytokinins. The cytokinins discovered by the Haber-Lond scientist, Van Overbeek scientist, and Jablonski Skoog scientist from the different sources. Here is Haber-Lond mainly identified compound in phloem stimulates the cell division called cytokinesis. The given name, that compound chemical is called cytokinesis. Van Overbeek coconut milk also has the ability to stimulate the cell division. So they also called cytokinase. Jablonski and Skoog compound in vascular tissues promote the cell divisions. Now, functions of cytokinins. Functions of cytokinins, cell divisions. Mainly cyto means cell, kinins means division. The cytokinins cell divisions are done by the cytokinins. The major function of cytokinin is the cell division. And root shoot meristems, formation of root shoot meristems also done by the cytokinins. By this root shoot formation of cytokinins division, two difference into these cellular portions called cellular differentiation. Leaf senescence. Leaf senescence done by the cytokinins. Young age of leaves turn into adult age of leaves or aging of leaves. Inflorescence growth. Flowers, inflorescence growth done by the cytokinin chemicals. And nutrient mobilizations. Nutrients are absorbed by the plant root system. That nutrients are distributed to total plants through the xylem. That mainly helps are done by the cytokinins. And cartilage expansion. Cartilaginous expansion done by the cytokinins. In monocotyledon, only single cartilage is present, but in dicotyledons, two cartilagens are present. The two cartilagens are closely contact. If they are closely contact, the shoot tip cannot develop into shoot part. So they are expansion. After that expansion of cartilagens, the shoot apex turn into or develop into shoot part. It done by the cytokinin chemicals. And it play major role in apical dominance also, including auxin. The cytokinin also play major role in the apical dominance. And seedling morphology. Formation of seeds, the morphology done by the cytokinin chemicals. And the next one is gibberellins. The gibberellins are mainly one other type of plant hormones. Promote the cell divisions and elongation in plant shoots and cell differentiation, play a role in flowering and fruit formation in many species, help make carbos of embryos. The commercial uses: gibberellin sprays used to stimulate fruit production, for example grape, used by seed producers to stimulate seed production. And also the gibberellin play major role in the stem elongation. Here it is, we take normal cabbage. If the spray of gibberellins on the cabbage internodes, after the spraying of gibberellins, the internodes are elongated. Before the spraying of gibberellins, the internodes are compactly arranged. So they are look like a flower-like structures. If that treated with the gibberellins, the internodes are elongated by the gibberellin chemicals. And the gibberellins are first discovered by the Japanese scientist Kurosawa. The Buchanay foolish seedling disease, it caused by the Gibberella fusicori fungi, shows foolish seedling disease called Buchanay disease. In 1926, a filtered extract of fungus called Gibberella fusicori fungus. In 1934, Yabuta discovered compound fusaric acid. The fusaric acid is known as gibberellins. Before the invention of fusaric acid, we called Gibberella fusicori fungi, extract of Gibberella fusicori. After Yabuta discovered compound fusaric acid is known as gibberellins. The gibberellins are used in commercial uses. Now next one is abscisic acid. Abscisic acid discovered by Ivor Lowas and Robert Coigel. Robert Coigel identified or discovered abscisic acid. The function of abscisic acid: prevent the seed germination and inhibit shoot growth during environmental stress. By the environmental stress, the shoot cannot develop into new tissues. It's done by the ABA. Stimulate stomata, closure and open movement. It's done by the abscisic acid. Example, response to water. Cause abscission, birds, leaves, petals, flowers, fruits. Abscission means removal of birds, removal of leaves, removal of petals, removal of flowers, removal of fruits. Done by the abscission means elimination, done by the abscisic acid or leaf from the plant, called abscission. The abscisic acid ABA functions are inhibits growth in response to changes in the temperature and light, mainly seasons, and controls the closing stomata in dry conditions. These are the abscisic acid functions. And the last one is ethylene. Ethylene discovered by Richard Gauney. Ethylene discovered by Richard Gauney. The functions of ethylenes: gases in form. The ethylene mainly in gases form. It mainly helps in rapid diffusion. Effects of adjacent individuals. It mainly helps in fruit ripening, senescence and abscission. Senescence means aging of plant, aging of leaves, aging of fruit. That aging of fruits, leaves are removed from the plants, called abscission. And interference with oxygen transport. Inhibition of stem elongation. Stem elongation inhibited by the ethylene chemicals. The positive feedback mechanism amplify response in organisms. Amplification occurs when the stimulus is further activated, which initiate an additional response that produce the system changes. Initiates the additional response. Initiates the additional response that produces system changes. These are the five major plant hormones present in the plants.